Hey guys, it's Smith and here. Sorry we haven't uploaded in a while because we've been so busy with all about peace and all about family. As your YouTube accounts have been so busy with all the others, we haven't got a chance to upload. So yeah, this is a sorry we're uploading. And we have a few more friends, Daphne, Daisy, Dog. Like that. So. Guys, please guys, I'm I'm too lazy to go into her room. Too lazy to go in her room, so really rough. So let's see what she's doing. Go get the camera. Oh, that. Ouch. Say hi. Well, you're on the video. Hi. Wait, are we taping? Yeah. Oh, are you gonna put this on our channel? I guess so. Well, this is going on Smith and Nikki's channel, though. Okay. Yeah. So that's on penguin. Not penguin. Yeah. So yeah, there's them. That's the thing to be too lazy to go upstairs. So you know the use. Okay, so just so you know, if you haven't watched All About Keep and All About Things, you should watch All About Keep and All About Things on YouTube because that's awesome. Just so you know that's our channel. That's the now that you watch this channel. And just you know, this has been a Brandon and Drew production. And just you know, boyfriend contest almost over. Get treated. Okay, bye. Hold on. How do we turn this thing off? Right here. Oh.